Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the bread maker. For some reason, Hubby got a bread maker. So we're gonna have to making bread for the 2 weeks shutdown for the COVID virus.
Bread.
Okay.
There's a jam.
What kind of bread maker is that? It's Hamilton. Yeah, so
Wait. No. Okay, hold on. Can you hold the bottom? Or wait, no. Okay, yeah, hold the bottom. Like the bottom.
okay guys, open it up. We'll see.
Wait, I need another one. You look like, you know when
A dog.
the old like English people had those like balls around them.
Okay guys, take out the plastic one. Guys, take out the plastic please.
No, like I mean like a double. It's like it's four. It's a legal house.
There we go. It's opening. Opening. Okay guys, let me see it. Show it to me. Open
There's
it.
cardboard in it. What's this?
It's a measuring cup.
Oh, I'm gonna.
There's a measuring spoon.
I can't see.
show ya.
I literally can't see.
There's a jam cycle, and I don't know what that means.
I kinda did.
It's always a good idea.
Jam for making jams with fresh fruit blends. You can make jam.
And oranges. It's bubble wrap.
Okay guys, when are you gonna make some bread?
I don't know.
Maybe tomorrow?
What is this?
Is your daddy getting his own birthday gift? Or is it my gift?
David's birthday is Monday.
It is.
So,
I need to put on my dog injury thing. And another layer of pain. I put another layer of pain on.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time when we have the bread.
base all ingredients in the bread maker. Order list of choose basic bread cycle.
Okay, we have to put this in.
1 cup, 2 pounds.
Wait, we need to put it somewhere not on the ledge. So it's not.
Well, I'm not going to worry about that too much right now. It starts to shake off a little.
There's
Wait,
second cups.
Like turn it like the other way.
What?
Okay, well, let's get started here. I want to get this going.
Choose basic bread cycle. Loaf size.
how's it going?
I think no, let's start.
What?
Ready to go?
Let's start. Oh, let's start. Sorry, that's wrong.
I can blame you because you set this up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Brett.
Okay, we'll see what's happened.
Whoa, it's turning.
Is it? Wait, actually?
Yeah.
Oh, true.
Daddy.
See you later, Brad. Here is the finished product. The bread. Basic bread. First bread. Yay! Looks like bread.